guys, let me take you through the things I bought. If there's something I liked most is that jar. I bought it at 600, and most places people say they sell it at 800 to 1000. So if you check on my videos, I've placed price tags on them. I bought this 100 bob in town kwa mtu anaitwa Ben wa Mapans in town. So for the teens I bought at 300 for 6. So today is on Sunday. This is the next day. I went to my friend's place. She's called Mercy. Just in case you find Kiambu town being the nearest place for you, you can come and visit her. I'll place her number on the screen. So today is on Wednesday. Decided to get a new purchase that was delivered in the morning. I didn't get to unbox it with you guys, but I'm so happy. The same guy is the guy who made my shoe rack or handbag rack. So I'll place his number. He's a very nice guy. You can get your things from there. So I'll be doing a small tour. I'm manifesting on a cooker. So this is the situation we are in after my 2 burners spoiled. For the table, I think I'll be giving out to someone, not sure yet. So just want to take you through a small tour for my kitchen. After we did painting, we'll install some contact paper on that brown cabinets for the kitchen. Previously my kitchen used to be cream. I'll do a video, house video, like before after this video, so that you can see how it looked before. So that's how my kitchen is. We'll be changing also the curtains, just everything. We're doing a makeover for Bedsitter. I really love my space a lot. I'll also be doing some painting again. So this is just like an undercoat. You can see my wall. You can clearly see the cream paint. So we'll be doing like a second coat for the whole house. So it's still on process. For those that we don't have like a separate living room. So for me, I call this my living room. It's quite a cute space. I just love it. So also I'll be putting a contact paper on that, on my closet. For my bed, I'll have the fundi come pick it up. They go and apply paint again because they really want the deep white. You can see, yeah, so it needs to be taken and then they'll bring it back when it's done. So that's the view. I'll be selling the speakers, so just DM me for that. So hi guys, it's always a pleasure for you guys, for the returning subscribers. Thank you so much. For those who haven't subscribed, Kindly subscribe. Thank you for the support. We have Andrew back. He's doing the paint work. So yeah, for the second coat. So I got some new patches. These are fluted panels. If there's something I love most is my space. I love my space being nice, looking nice, just nice, basically nice, let me say. So I purchased them. Actually, I got to find some influencer marketing on TikTok at a very affordable price, so I had to get them myself because I love them. You guys should make Pinterest your best friend because it makes your work easier, and also it makes your wall look so nice. I love the paintings. I know most will wonder where I've left the space in between, so I'm looking for an art still on Pinterest, and then go ask my guy to make it for me. So these ones I bought them at the hawkers. Imagine, at 300 bob only. So yeah, so affordable. Look at that wall. Wow. So he's called Oscar, just in case you've already purchased your fluted panels aside and you need a fundi. So he's there to install. So I'll place his number down below.